Seamstress reveals the secret to thread a needle perfectly every time. This trick is about to change the way you thread needles forever. Trust me, this is going to save you so much time and frustration. It's so easy, you'll be wondering why you haven't done it this way your whole life. Drop a comment and let me know where you're watching from today. Who knows, you might just get a shout out in my next video. First things first, grab a toothbrush. And of course, you'll need your thread and needle. The secret to this is in the bristles, so place the thread over the toothbrush just like this. Make sure the thread is right on top of the bristles. Simple enough, right? Now, take your needle and gently press the eye of the needle onto the toothbrush, right where the thread is lying. The bristles will do all the hard work for you. They'll push that thread right through the needle's eye like magic. This trick works wonders anywhere you sew. Whether you're working on your next cozy quilt at home, fixing a button in a pinch, or even if you're out camping and need to do a quick stitch,